giant burned new update. So here is couple of things you need to accomplish, execute. So how do you do everything, you will see across this video. Okay, so first thing first, maybe you did that. If you don't do that, I will show you how do you do that. Just follow them Twitter. I already did. I just showing you. After Discord, and after go to stack, and here they will provide you some faucet, one faucet. So I'm showing you pretty much loading my browser, and that one faucet you need to stack with their lot of validator have in the list. Here you need to just choose just 3 validator to doing stacking. Okay, I'm showing you visually. Just keep attention on screen. How do you do that? Everything would be clear to you. So here is stacking and other else task has here as well. So first thing first, get faucet, click on that, and after that is loading pretty much, and after that will be add here when they will provide you. Okay, already add, and 3 validator, click on here, just 0.5 confirm, like this way 3 times, 3 different validator you need to choose, and same way do 3 times. Okay, I already did. I just show you. I don't wanna show that. I already get that. I already get this NFT. So first thing first, if you see here, just read this thing, like learn how to secure the giant chain by staking to its validator on testnet. Stake at least 0.5 giant across 3 validator to earn secure NFT. Okay, everything they provide you. Okay, just read this thing if you wanna be clear. Okay, so here is welcome NFT while you join through, while you log in this particular website. They will provide you welcome NFT. That will be automatically white. Just click that, just you need to do mint immediately. If you wanna refer, do that. And I'm showing you what the hell happened here. Okay, back. Okay, so I'm come back again. That page, check that page, copy paste here, and immediately you will see this page. So it's accident, unfortunately I was cut out of this website. Okay, so I wanted to desktop mode for visually perfect seeing, perfect watching. And now after that, it's verification coming soon. I will do update in Telegram. If you in Telegram, thank you for joining. You will get update for further task. Okay, so here is faucet pass NFT. It will be automatically white if you don't yet climb this faucet NFT. Okay, just click on there, it will be done. And after here, another thing, mint high roller NFT. So if you wanna do that, go this website, click on faucet button, and here it is loading kind of way. I'm showing you, just wait a while. Now login, close, climb your faucet. Okay, 33-minute have waited. I did that yesterday. Okay, now play now while you get this faucet. And here is choose your number, and place bit. Okay, it will be done immediately. nothing complicated, easy to do. Okay, so yeah, and after that come back the onboard of Quist, and here after doing that you will see this euro scraper task. So do follow Twitter and Discord. After this page will be pop up participate, click on there and that will bring into outside of onboarding the euro script trust where people do borrow, landing, all sort of thing. I'm just showing you how do you do that. Okay, maybe I need to do desktop. It is not working today, but I did tomorrow. Okay, if it is work, I will definitely suggest you doing your way, because now it is not working. I'm trying. Okay, it is not working. If I do desktop, okay, you can skip this task because I didn't do yet this task. Okay, so here is go to app and you can accomplish your task, like take your handle, mint your handle on this website, log in here. I already logged in, and put that what kind of handle you have, like let's say your name is John, you put that John. Okay, okay, so now okay, and search. Okay, anyways, so oops, looks like you don't have any mint. I already did mint, so therefore it's now it's not for me. So you can do that easily. Okay, so feel free to do that. I will suggest you immediately. And after doing that, come back here and you will get this mint early bird NFT if you do to refer in this website. Maybe if you are seeing here uh, like okay, so your referral handle, this one, my invitation code, and you do that multiple inside of your device to account, and after doing that you will get this climbable button. Okay, and yeah, let me see like my point, how many point I have, in this like offer, in this like onboard, in this account. So now it is not popping up. So if I refresh this page, let me see what happened. So it is completed missions. Okay, now I'm showing you my point. Come this leaderboard option. Repeating missions allows you to accumulate community XP at a campaign. Okay, nothing complicated. Do that immediately, and after your point would be at. Okay, just it takes some time because this board will be updated maybe in a certain time, like 1 hour, 30 minutes, 15 minutes, 1 minute, something like that. 5 minutes later you will see your point there. Okay, everything. So if you feel that something is makes you complicated, difficult, feel free to know me inside of Telegram. Come into Telegram. My Telegram link is this comment box, this video's comment box. Check out immediately. I wanna help you. I'm so passionate about help you. So come on. See you later in the next time. Until that, happy hunting.